Hello everyone. Um, First, video I'm gonna be doing on, my PC instead of my phone, because I finally figured out how to record on PC, so that's awesome. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna edit this though, but I'll figure that out. So this might be posted like on the 7th maybe instead of like tomorrow. But yeah, um, I'll figure it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and find a game to play. I'm not really sure what game would be good, but I might play like a. I'm not really good at playing Roblox on PC, but I'm gonna try, and I'm also gonna try to be like kind of family friendly this time around. So yeah, let's go into a classic natural disaster survival. Um, yeah, you probably all know about this game. If you don't, then how old are you? Genuinely. Yeah, but let's play this game. Let's do it. Please say it works. Okay. I've kind of forgotten all the controls on the God, fuck, bro. I fucking, I fucking hear someone like just going like, oh my god. I'm probably not gonna talk. Okay, I know how to play natural disaster. Okay. Ignore how my avatar's like rarity right now. Wait, let me mute everyone, because... Oh wait, everyone's muted, okay. Yeah. Oh god. Okay, let's get in a server. Not server, house. Let's get in the house. Yeah. I'm like nervous because I don't know if this is actually gonna work. Oh my god, a sandstorm. I honestly like really hate sandstorms. I like the way they've like formatted it as well, like how they've kind of like redone it and made it look kind of better. I really like that. By the way, even though I'm just as rarity, I am a dude, so don't forget that, I guess. Next video might be voice chat, just to double check, like on voice of VC, just to make sure that I can actually talk on VC and my mic won't affect anything, or like it won't affect gameplay or whatever. Okay. I'm not very good at that. I'm gonna go ahead and like get halfway up here. Just cause. Okay. Just like, yeah. That's okay for now. Sorry I keep snorting, by the way. Yeah, this video is gonna be overall pretty boring, but like, it don't matter. Yeah, meteor shower. How are you supposed to like the top is useful? I don't know why, but it just sounds like very useful. Or not. I'm gonna stay here for a second then. Let's try getting to the oh god, never mind. Oh my god! I don't know how to turn that. Yeah. But that's not a problem. Like, this is cool. This video is gonna be short, like only like 8 minutes long. Opposed to usually like 10 to 12-minute videos, it's gonna be pretty short. Because I like making my videos kind of long, although I haven't been able to, but my longest video was like nearly an hour long. But that's because I wanted to do like full gameplay. I might actually review that video, like full gameplay, on PC, because I feel like I'll be better at it on PC maybe. Probably not, but yeah. Yeah, I'll do one more round. Let's do one more round. We'll do one more round, and then I'm gonna end the video. Like, I do like this. Is someone eating in their microphone? I thought someone was eating in their mic. Should I get something? Should I get like a balloon, or should I do this? Power up. Do I have enough Robux? Oh my god, I'm not spending like all of my Robux. They should update like the power machine like thing. Like, they should update the power, you know what I mean. They should update like the powerish kind of thing. Like, you know how the power up thing has like an oldish kind of like pop up on the screen when you go like up to it. Like something like that, you know? Like, they should make it like newer, they should make it newer, you know, like the survival screen. It's so hard to explain, honestly. It's funny because I don't edit like most of my videos. I'll only edit like a starting thing in. Like, if there's any like warnings in it, like for loud noises or flashing lights or whatever. Oh my god. Well, I'm definitely going up here. There's a virus. That sounds something that happened 4 years ago. Bro, I can't believe it's 2024, man. That's wild. That's crazy. Ain't better no be somebody up here with their little sneezy weezies. You alright, mate? Oh, he's gone. He doesn't want to. I mean, that's a good view. Oh, yeah, mate. Please don't push me off. I like this avatar though. So you might see it in a couple videos. It's not my main avatar, because I'm just like doing a little cosplay. Yeah, I'll probably survive this one if someone doesn't knock, if this guy doesn't knock me off. Because, yeah, if they get the virus though, they're probably all coming up here like to come and get us. Oh, I just heard someone die. Yeah, so if there are like topics of death, I'll put some like topics in here of like, yeah, actual natural disasters that happen like in real life, and if you're sensitive to that, then don't watch it. But I'll put that in. I'll edit it in. Yeah. How good am I doing? Well, I guess this is gonna be a 10-minute or 12-minute video. Yeah, this is like a 10-minute video, so I'm ending it here because, as I said, this is just a test, and I'll actually plan out my video next time. because I actually know how to record now. But yeah, I was cancelled on Twitter, and you guys were amazing if you've watched all the way through to this point. Subscribe if you want as well, or even like the video. Yeah, I'll see you later. Sorry. I'll see you later, guys. Love y'all.